When you had that little beat part?
No.
Ah!
It's hot. Mainit. Sarap? Sarap? See?
Wow.
We will put cheese. Where's the, tiny knife? Okay. You have to continuously mixing it. Uy! Oh. You
I
think?
don't know, but I'm gonna move it.
Yeah, it might fall on the hot part. See? Bango. Smells good. Mix it. Yan, sarap. Oh, now you can put the cheese so it can melt.
Ooh, okay. You put it all in there?
Uh-huh. Why? You don't like cheese?
I love cheese.
Mix.
Wow,
Sarap.
cheesy ube halaya.
It's like the ube cheese pandesal. Ngayon na siya, oh.
It's getting thick.
Malapot na, guys.
She's getting thick.
Mm.
Can I try the cheese?
What do you mean, can I try the
Can
cheese?
you cut a little cube?
Papak.
Papa?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of cheese is that?
Eden. Oh.
It's the ube.
Sarap? Mm. More cheese. Sarap. I think pagod na siya. Are you tired? Gusto niya ng ube alaya. Are you tired?
I'm tired, but I will work for this ube halaya.
Bumili siya ube, isa lang. Haluin mo. Oh, gumawa kaming ube halaya. Ube cheese halaya. Cheese ube halaya. Ube cheese halaya.
Masarap.
Gusto daw niya ng ube cheese.
Masarap. Really? Okay, this is getting really, really thick. It's looking good.
Pwede na yan, da. Ayan na, buo na, oh. See? Oh. Sabi ko sa kanya, isang direction lang.
Oh, isang
Ang paghalo niya, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa. So, ganda naman talaga yan. Okay na.
Yung cheese gano'n lang.
Yeah. Sarap.
Tapos na?
I guess. Oh, you want more thicker?
Ang palamig ka kayo.
Hindi ko na.
Sarap. Where will you put it? Not here again?
The bowl.
The bowl.
Yung bowl. Try it.
It should be ano. Ay, oh, malagkit na. Oh, hindi ako kumakain ng ube. Pero si Elmer titikim.
Wow.
Uy, sarap na. Oh. Si Elmer titikim. Tikman mo, masarap. Mainit ah.
Sarap.
Hindi pa eh.
Bango.
Masarap no? Ang bango. Sarap?
Ube nga.
Ube? Ah, ube. See? It's okay. That's it. See? It's okay.
Wow.
Oh, guys, luto na. Oh, ayun oh. Luto na. Oh, perfect.